Sichuan Drunken Carp. Ingredients: 500 grams Crucian Carp Carassius or auratus, chicken essence, salt, shallot, ginger, starch, rice wine, Sinsin sweet and sour chili sauce. Directions: marinate Carassius or auratus scales, gills, belly, after washing, with salt, cooking wine, soy sauce for 10 minutes to taste. Starch on both sides. Heat the oil in the pan and add it to fry. Put 2 spoons of brewed wine and appropriate amount of water. Put green onion and ginger slices. Put soy sauce, salt, chili sauce, and cook for 8 minutes on the high fire. Remove the onion knots, put chicken essence, shallot segments. Serve.